Hi, good morning all of you. My name is Anurag Tiwari. I welcome you all to my channel Inside Academy English. Today we have Aayush with us and Aayush is going to perform a speaking practice on present indefinite tense. What? On present indefinite tense. This tense is very important when it comes to making sentences, when it comes to speaking English, because this chapter totally dominates the whole speaking process. Because everywhere, whatever you talk, you generally talk in present indefinite tense. So I'm going to start with this conversation. Watch the video, feel the energy. When I will be asking questions, try to answer the questions on your own so that you can get to know whether you are also able to speak like him or not. So first of all, sir, introduce yourself.
So, hello everyone. Today I am sitting here on the behalf of Insight Academy English. My name is Aayush. I live in Delhi, Budhvihar. Today I am talking about present indefinite tense speaking.
Okay. Do you go to your school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
How do you go to school every day?
I go to school every day from a cycle.
By a cycle.
By a cycle.
Okay.
By
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi, Budhvihar.
What do you do in your free time?
I a lot of things in my free time like play cricket, operate phone and watch TV.
Okay. What do you play any sports?
Yes, I play any sports
Like
like cricket, football and basketball.
basketball. Don't you play hide and seek?
Yes, I play hide and seek sometimes
Sometimes
at night.
at night. Okay. When do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
And how often do you go to gym?
I don't go to gym because I don't have any power and I am younger. That's why.
After waking up, what do you do?
After waking up, I do yoga and after doing yoga, I take tea.
You take
Tea.
tea. That's good. That's nice. So, does your father work from home?
No, my father does not work from home. My father works from office.
From office. That's nice. Is your mom home? Like, is your mom housewife or a working professional?
My mother is housewife.
Okay.
My mother.
What time do you have your lunch?
I have my lunch at 8 o'clock.
8
Clock.
Aram se.
Okay.
Take a long breath. Okay. Don't panic. Don't
Panic.
Yeah. You are speaking good. Very well. Now, how do you get to school?
I get my school.
I get to my school
I get to my school on foot.
on foot. Okay. Uh, from where do you buy your groceries?
I purchase my groceries. Sometimes I purchase my groceries from market and sometimes I buy my groceries from mall.
From
Mall.
Mall. Okay. Okay. Do you study in evenings?
Yes, I study evenings sometimes.
What do you do or what do you like to do on your weekends?
I like to do in my weekends like play cricket and
I like to play
I
cricket.
like to play cricket and I like to study in my
To study
I like to study in my weekends.
in my weekends.
Weekends.
Okay. Do you not like to go somewhere to wander in your weekends?
Yes, sometimes I like to go to somewhere in my weekends, but my mother tells me you don't have to go to somewhere. That's why
Okay.
I don't. nahi.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
At 10 p.m. at night.
Yes, at 10 p.m. at night.
And what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
At 7 o'clock you wake up and at 10 p.m. you go to bed. Am I
Yes.
right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. And where do you go for shopping?
I go for shopping from mall
To mall.
to mall
Okay.
to mall.
Do you watch TV in evenings?
Yes, I watch TV in evening.
What is your favorite show that you watch in TV?
My favorite show is Balveer.
Balbir.
Yes.
बच्चों को बचाने वाला बालवीर.
Yes.
Can you tell us about the Rani Pari, Sakti Dekhari, like and dialogues of Duba Duba?
Yes, I can tell you. Balveer tells like, "Hey Natkhat Pari, Shakti Dekhari," and and some and I don't know about.
Duba duba. You know about duba duba?
Yes, I know that.
Yeah. Tell us a line.
He tell
He tells.
he tells he tells. But I know that toba toba.
Speak.
तोबा तोबा टेल्स ऐसा मैं नहीं, ये वो क्या बोलते हैं.
Okay. रानी परी का बता दो कुछ. Tell us about something रानी परी.
रानी परी
Rani Pari says.
रानी परी says, but I
You don't remember?
yes I don't know about it
Okay, no problem. We will continue.
now.
How much do you walk each day?
In I walk each day 200 steps
200 steps. How do you know that you have walked 200 steps?
because in each day I go to tuition and I go to school. That's why I know that.
And what about holidays? Suppose you have off of your tuition, of your school on Sunday, on any occasion or any festival. How do you count that day? Like how much are you walking?
Sometimes when Sunday is, so I play cricket, so I have my smartwatch. So there has my smartwatch countable that how many steps I walk. How many
So,
steps walk?
yeah, with the help of your smartwatch, you get to know that how much do you walk.
Yes, you're
Okay.
right.
Okay, thanks. At what time do you have your breakfast?
I have my breakfast at 8 o'clock
8
a.m.
8 a.m.
8
Okay.
a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat for breakfast. Sometimes I eat sandwich and sometimes I take tea with fan.
Sometimes you eat sandwich and sometimes you take
Tea.
tea with fan.
With fan.
Okay. Do you drive to work? Do you drive to your college or school?
Yes, I drive to my school with bicycle. With
Okay.
bicycle.
It means you ride
Yes, I
with
ride
bicycle.
with bicycle.
That's nice. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
How often do you read books in a day?
I read books 30 minutes in a day.
30 minutes in a day. Wow. Does your mom go to work?
My mom does not go to work.
Why does your mom not go to work?
My mom does not go to work because my mom does home choose work. That's why.
That's good. Do you drink coffee in morning?
No, I don't drink coffee in the morning. I drink tea in the morning.
Okay. Do you listen to music when you work?
Sometimes I listen to music when I work.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Raju Punjabi song.
What is that song? Can you tell us, please?
Yes, I can tell you like that hero sing song cham 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 बांधे हाथ में. I don't know about it because I don't.
भांगे हाथ में घड़ी तेरी.
Yes.
That one song.
Yes.
तेरे सैंडला न मार भगाऊं.
Yes.
काट भगाऊं. Something like that. I don't know.
Yes,
Okay.
this Raju Punjabi song.
So do you have any brother?
No, I don't have any brother.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have sister.
Does your sister help you around house?
Sometimes my sister help me around house,
Okay.
like cook food and sweep
Cooking food and sleeping.
and sweeping. Yeah.
Okay. What time do you leave for your school?
I leave for my school at 6:30 o'clock
At
p.m.
6:30.
Yes.
And when do you wake up?
I wake up 7 in morning. I wake up 7 o'clock and I go to school at 12:30 o'clock.
12:30 o'clock.
I go to school.
Okay. Do you meet your friends after school?
No, I don't meet my friend after school because I am very late. Because I have to go to tuition. That's why
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekend. Sometimes I play cricket, and sometimes I study, and sometimes I watch TV. That's
You are speaking very well today. That's good thing.
because I learned my chapter
Okay.
today. That's why.
Do you have keys? Of a cycle.
Yes, I have keys of a cycle.
And where do you keep that keys?
I keep my keys in my pocket.
In your pocket.
Yes.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch on TV. Sometimes I watch Jethalal Gada show, and sometimes I Motu Patlu and
I watch.
I watch Motu Patlu, and after that sometimes
Okay,
I
okay.
watch.
Could you please tell us the dialogue of Motu? खाली पेट मेरे दिमाग की बत्ती नहीं जलती.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah. So please inform us. Please let us know.
वो मोटू tell us, खाली पेट मेरी दिमाग की बत्ती नहीं जलती. पतलू तुम कुछ करो.
Samose.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Do you read newspaper every day?
No, I don't read newspaper every day because I don't understand newspaper.
Okay. Do you enjoy cooking at home?
No, I don't know how to cook food. That's why I don't enjoy cooking food at my home.
Okay, okay. What do you do when you feel stressed?
When I feel stressed, so sometimes I do yoga and sometimes I ride my cycle.
You ride your
Cycle.
Yeah. When you ride your cycle, do you feel happy?
Yes, I feel happy when I ride a cycle.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear glasses because my eyes is very weak.
Your eyes are weak.
Yes, my eyes are weak.
Without wearing glasses, are you able to see?
Yes, sometimes I wear see, but I don't see far.
If the object is very far from your eyes, so you are not able to see that.
Yes, you're
Okay.
right.
Okay, okay. Where do you usually eat your lunch?
I eat my lunch like chapati and sabji.
Where do you eat? Like at your school, at your home?
Sometimes I eat my school and sometimes I eat lunch at my home.
At your
Home.
home. Okay. Do you drink water throughout the day?
No, I don't drink water throughout the day.
Do you not know that you should drink water regularly in a certain period of time? Like in every half an hour or 40 minutes or 50 minutes, you need to drink water.
Yes, I think that I need to drink water. After that, I fill water in bottle because I have a big water
Okay.
bottle.
How many hours do you work each day?
I do work in each day 30 minutes and 1 hour.
30 minutes and 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father drives a car.
Okay. Do you like to take walk in park?
No, sometimes I like to take walk in the park because I don't go to park. I go to park on the Sunday.
On Sunday?
Yes.
Okay, okay. How does your mother spend her day? Do you know?
Yes, I know that my mother spend her day. Sometimes my mother sleeps and sometimes my mother watches TV and my mother operates mobile.
What does your mother operate in phone? Like Saath Nibhana, something like that?
No, my mother does not watch natak. My mother watches vlogs like Shivani vlogs. Yes.
So does your mother not watch Insat Academy English?
Sometimes my mother watches Inside Academy English. When was I tell my mother you have to watch my video.
Okay. So if I start up making, you can say blogs. Hello guys. So today I woke up in English or in Hindi. In Hindi basically, so that people can get. What do you think? Your mother will watch my video?
Yes, I think my mother watch my video because
Watch your video.
will watch my video.
Your video, my video. I will make the blog of myself.
Yes, my mother will watch your video. When was I say my mother? When I will say my mother. That's
Okay. What does your friend usually do on weekends?
sometimes my friend play cricket with me. Usually,
So you only play cricket.
yes, I play only cricket. I don't play any sports.
Do you do exercise every day?
Yes, I do exercise every day.
For how long do you do exercise?
I exercise at 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes, sometimes 1 hour.
Okay, it's enough for this video. So guys, we have talked about present indefinite tense. This is a sheet, and lot of questions are there, totally dependent on present indefinite tense. He performed very well, very fantastic, and this is something that I am here to show you that yeah, whether he is learning English or he is improving himself or not. First of all, I need to make one point very clear: speaking English takes time. It is not a piece of cake. Okay, it's not that easy that you think of. It is a hard task and it's a time taking process, because in this process you need time, you need energy, you need passionation, you need to work hard. If you don't do any of these, you can't even think of the fact that you would be able to speak like him, like me, like anyone else whom you are chasing for. So this was from my side for present indefinite tense. He performed very well. Now I have asked, you can say, around 60 to 70 questions. Now I will go for the next candidate. I will again do the same thing. So enjoy the video and do let me know in the comment box that were you also able to answer the each questions correctly without making mistakes when I was asking the questions. If you were able to do it, it's a good news for you that yeah, just thumbs up, just give a thumbs to yourself, because you are doing well. But if somewhere you were not able to make it happen, you were not able to answer the questions, do inform me in the comment box and go for the research and try to learn the things and try to learn present indefinite tense, and then go for the understanding of the sentences, then answer the questions. So do you have anything to say?
Please subscribe the channel and like the video.
Bye guys.